What's up YouTube? This is a video on how to take out Takira cold air intake on Civic 2012 to 15. The reason I'm making this video is because it was hard for me to take it off. Got it off, but eventually, because it's such a small, and then I had to take out this box in order to service the filter there. The filter's not there, it's getting dry. I wanted to make this video on how to get you guys better. So to undo all those clips first, and then what happens is this reservoir is on the way. This whole thing has to come out, and it's hard to come out when this plastic bit and this reservoir is there. So what I used was 10 mil. There's a 10 mil bolt that holds this in, and after I took that out, I had a little more space to wiggle it out. So basically, you take out this hose from this body, and then also you do undo all the clamps that connects this airbox to the throttle body. Those are pretty easy. The problem is getting this out is pretty hard. So I had to manipulate this airbox, and so I took out this bolt, this ball. Everything is 10 mil, and this battery bracket was actually obscuring this guy to come out. So I realized I had to take it out, so I undid positive terminal, undid this bolt for the bracket, and also unclipped this wiring so this guy could kind of move. That's all you need. So right now this box is easier to take out because the filter came out already, but pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna find some ways to wiggle this out, put it sideways, and then take it out. If you can't really take it out, you're gonna have to undo the filter inside here, separate the filter from the boxing, and take it out. I'll show you all the pictures later. I'm gonna edit it out so that I can show the picture as I go along, and that's how you take it out. Hope that helps.